Yeah, so this month of September, Apple has launched its flagship iPhone 17 series. And yes, after the launch, lots of people have actually gotten theirs already, with Ghanaian celebrities, already flaunting theirs. And the latest celebrity to add to the list is, actress or Kumawood actress Tracey Boakye. And she went on a live session, where she was having a Q&A with her fans, and you could see her holding the orange color. Okay, the orange color of the new iPhone 17 series, yes, and it was actually 17 Pro Max. And like I said, she was having a Q&A where people were asking her, about how she manages her brand and also how she manages business, how she juggles between, being a wife and also being a businesswoman. And she said that it's her husband who keeps her going. It's not easy, it's very tough, but I mean, once you have a solid partner or you have a a strong backbone or a strong foundation, then definitely you're able to do it easily, and then the results is what will show, but people will not really see what goes into it. So without much ado, let's watch highlights of that particular Q&A session that she had online.
Do you remember Proper Man at Atonsu? Of course, make I Proper Man pa. I remember him. Mom, Tracy, I want to work. I want to book your restaurant. Please call 053 625 9494. 053. What's it? Okay, Samuel. 053 625 9494. Please, you can call, and any inquiry you want to make, it's about Casa Grande and rooftop. I love your week. Thank you. Ubetimi from. Let me answer WhatsApp messages. No, mum say me messages so I went out. But I still want to answer messages here. What keeps you? Let me see. You'll be able to say, baby. I'll give that a name here after you, Mate. What keeps you going as a busy mom and wife? What keeps me? As a busy mom and wife, what keeps me? My husband's motivation. Mikuno. When you feel tired, when you feel like, stepping back, he will make sure you don't. Or be making sure you don't. Yes, so my husband. Yes, my husband. I hope I've answered you. Okay, let's go. If I'm mommy answer WhatsApp messages, Kakra. Please keep your messages coming, okay? Okay. See my side lady now, but
yeah. So one of your partners.
Okay.
Yeah, guys, so you heard Tracey Boakye there, trying to inspire her followers, to really work hard and also get things done. Yeah, so I'm giving you guys 5 to 10% discount on all Oraimo devices that you purchase on the App Store and also on the Oraimo website. All you have to do is just log on, register if you don't have an account with them, sign up and register, and also start, buying your devices. And once you are done and you're checking out, just input the discount code or coupon code ODARTEY, ODARTEY and GH together, one word. And once you're cashing out, you get a 5 to 10% discount. You can get this anywhere, only on ODARTEY TV. Yes, so to come to the end of another episode of the Daily Update Show right here on ODARTEY TV. If you're new here, don't forget to like the video, share the video, so subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on all social media platforms at ODARTEY_G. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care of yourself. I'm out.